Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Beverly. If you're looking for natural ways to boost your eye health and improve your vision, you're in the right place. Our eyes work hard every single day, and with screen time increasing, we need to nourish them from the inside out. Today, I'll share powerful superfoods and essential vitamins that protect your eyesight, prevent age-related vision loss, and keep your eyes strong and sharp. Stick around for some easy tips and a delicious eye-boosting smoothie recipe. Improve your eyesight naturally. Superfoods and vitamins for healthy vision. Our eyes are vulnerable to oxidative stress, UV damage, and nutrient deficiencies. Poor eye health can lead to issues like blurry vision, dry eyes, night blindness, and even macular degeneration as we age. But the good news? Nature provides incredible superfoods and vitamins that can help protect and even improve our eyesight naturally. Let's dive into the best ones. Let's start with some powerful superfoods that support eye health. Add these to your daily meals for clearer vision and stronger eyes. Carrots rich in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, crucial for night vision. Leafy greens, spinach and kale, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against blue light damage from screens. Berries, blueberries, goji berries, blackberries, full of antioxidants and vitamin C to reduce eye strain and support retinal health. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, tuna. High in omega-3 fatty acids, which prevent dry eyes and inflammation. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. Contain vitamin E and healthy fats to slow down age-related vision decline. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruit, lemons. Boost collagen production in the eyes and protect against cataracts. Eggs, a fantastic source of lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which improve overall eye function. These foods not only protect your eyesight, but also enhance clarity, reduce strain, and prevent vision problems. If you're not getting enough of these nutrients from food alone, you can add supplements to your routine. Here are the top vitamins for better vision. Vitamin A, essential for night vision and preventing dryness. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels in the eyes and reduces cataract risk. Vitamin E protects eye cells from free radical damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter blue light and reduce digital eye strain. Zinc supports the retina and improves the absorption of vitamin A. Omega-3s prevents dry eyes and supports tear production. If you choose supplements, go for high-quality natural sources, and always check with your doctor before adding anything new. Along with good nutrition, here are a few daily habits to improve and protect your eyesight. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce screen strain. Blink more often, especially when using screens to keep your eyes hydrated. Massage your eyes. Gently rub around your eyes to improve circulation. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and blue light exposure. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes can be caused by dehydration, so drink plenty of water. Taking care of your eyes doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes add up over time. Before we wrap up, here's my favorite eye-boosting smoothie packed with nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach for lutein and zeaxanthin, half a cup of blueberries for antioxidants, half an orange for vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for omega-3s, 1 carrot for beta-carotene, 1 cup of coconut water for hydration, and 1 teaspoon of honey, which is optional for taste. This smoothie nourishes your eyes, boosts vision, and tastes amazing. I hope you found these natural eye care tips helpful. Which superfood or vitamin are you adding to your routine? Let me know in the comments below. Show some love and support. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, keep your vision bright, and remember to protect your eyes from sun damage by wearing sunglasses. Maintain good hygiene to prevent infections, and give your eyes regular breaks from screens to reduce strain. Speak up if you notice any changes in your eyesight. Subscribe for more natural remedies.